Good day everyone! Today we'll be sharing the story behind our PETA 2, which is our Valentine's Gift Box project, which has also become part of our UTS group reporting. Since Valentine's Day was approaching, we thought it would be nice to give something special to our classmates who participated in our report, especially for those who might not have a Valentine. This way, we made our reporting more engaging while also spreading kindness and appreciation. We chose this gift because they were simple, practical, and easy to create. Though it is small, they had sentimental value because of the effort and thought put into making them. The contents of each gift varied, depending on what could fit inside, but each was made with care and creativity. We planned when and where to make them and decided to work in the LRC. As we crafted each gift, we discussed and solved the geometric figures involved. We also make sure to carefully choose the recipients, ensuring everyone who contributed to our reporting felt appreciated. We use cylinders and cubes because they are simple to create and perfect for holding small items. Cylinders help in wrapping items neatly, while cubes give a cute and structured look. By combining these shapes, we made our gifts more creative and visually appealing, which fit the Valentine's theme. Our project allowed us to apply the concepts of volume and surface area, which we'll learn in chapters 2 and 3. While those chapters focus on pyramids and cones, we found an opportunity to compare them with cubes and cylinders. Even though cubes and cylinders have different forms from pyramids and cones, they share similar mathematical principles. Like for example, all of them use base area and height to determine their volume. Additionally, calculating the surface area of our gifts help us understand how different shapes require different formulas. While a cube's surface area is the sum of its 6 square faces, a cylinder's surface area includes both circular bases and a rectangular lateral surface. This hands-on activity allowed us to visualize and compare these geometric properties in a real-world application by constructing their shapes ourselves. We gained a deeper understanding of how their dimensions and formulas relate to each other. In this part, we are going to calculate the surface area and the volume of the cube. The gift box that we created is a cube with each side measuring 6 cm. To start, I calculate the area of one face of the cube using the formula area L times W, where L is the length and W is the width. We multiply it, then since both the length and width are 6 cm, the area of one face is 6 times 6 is equals to 36 cm squared. Next, to find the total surface area of the cube-shaped gift box, I use the formula surface area equals 6s squared, where s represents the side length. Since each side is 6 cm and the cube has 6 identical faces, I calculate 6 times 6 squared equals 6 times 36, and 6 times 36 is equal to 216 cm squared. Therefore, the total surface area of the gift box is 216 cm squared. For the volume of the cube, we determine the formula, which is volume equals length times width times height. Since all sides of a cube are equal, the length, width, and height are all 6. Therefore, we multiply the length, width, and height. That would give us the solution of 6 times 6 times 6 is equals to 216. And the volume of the cube is 216 cubic units. In distribution, surface area, and volume have the same calculation of answer but different in units. In this part, we are going to solve or find the surface area of a cylinder. The formula that we are using is area is equals to 2 times pi times the radius squared plus 2 times pi times the radius times the height. Here, we have the height that is equals to 8 and the radius that is equals to 4. Now, using the formula, let's solve the surface area of a cylinder. Determine the given values and the formula. The formula for the area is equals to 2 times pi times the radius squared plus 2 times pi times the radius times the height. Now, substitute the radius and the height into the formula. Radius is equals to 4 squared. Radius times height is equals to 4 times 8. Now, calculate the values. 4 squared is equals to 16, and 4 times 8 is equals to 32. Next, find the sum of these values. 16 plus 32 is equals to 48. Thus, the total area of the cylinder is 48 times pi. Now, to find the volume of the cylinder, we use the formula. Volume is equals to pi times the radius squared times the height. The radius is equal to 4 and the height is equals to 8. Substitute the radius and height into the formula. The radius squared is equals to 4 squared and the height is equals to 8. Calculate the value of 4 squared, then multiply it by 8. 4 squared is equal to 16. 16 times 8 is equal to 128. Thus, the volume of the cylinder is 128 times pi. Overall, this project was a fun and meaningful way to apply what we learned while spreading kindness and appreciation. We hope our gifts made our classmates feel special and appreciated. Thank you for listening.